Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you easiest ways to make money online. Today, yes, today, when you implement these strategies today, you can make money today. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. And of course, I have a giveaway, so tune in, do not touch it out. So the first one on my list here is to rent out your assets. Guys, if you have assets like real estate, like vehicles, like equipment, guys, renting them out can be a quick way to generate income. You can even rent a room out of your rooms. If you have, multiple rooms and you have a room that is just lying there fallow, you can make money on it every single month. And here are some quick start methods. Guys, do you know that you can do, yes, you can list your room, your spare room on Airbnb. Yes, you can rent out your spare room or your entire home to travelers, people who travel, yes. And guess what? Do you know that you can rent out your car on an app called Turo? Yes, Turo.com. So guys, you can actually rent out your car to people in need of a vehicle. Now, there are other platforms like Fatlama where you can rent out various equipment from your cameras. You can rent out your cameras. I'm telling you, to other powerful tools that you have. And here are some tips for setting up and getting bookings. First thing you need to do is to optimize your profile. Yes, profile optimization is very important. So go ahead and create a detailed profile with high quality photos. Yes, your pricing strategies is also very important. Research similar listings to price competitively. And then you also need to market your listings. Yes, so go ahead and use social media and local advertising to attract renters. Yes, you can even unlock more money. Yes, so if you are eager to dive even deeper into the world of online income, there are plenty more ways, plenty more opportunities to explore. The beauty of the internet is that it offers an endless array of possibilities for people who are willing to put in the effort. And here are some benefits, and it offers a lot of benefits. Yes, you can actually make money online quickly by participating in online marketplaces. Yes, guys, online marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork are not just for freelancers. They also offer platforms for selling digital products like your ebooks, like templates, like graphics. By creating and selling digital items, you can generate a passive income stream. You can make money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to new sales, without having to lift your finger. Yes, when you get new sales notification every month, it's a fantastic feeling. Another way to make money is to utilize cashback and reward programs. Now, do you know that you can make money by just shopping online? Yes. Yes, so besties, cashback and reward programs like Rakuten and Honey, they offer you money back on your everyday purchases. Yes, it's an effortless way to actually earn extra cash on things that you were already planning to buy. I use Capital One credit card and they give me money like every single time. Maybe I purchase something on Amazon, or I purchase something from Wayfair or select websites, I just see them credit me money. I'm telling you, they've paid me over $500. Yes, just for as a cashback rewards. I'm telling you. And the juicy thing is that these programs run special promotions and bonuses, and they increase your earnings even more. Another way to make money is to engage in social media influencing. Guys, with the rise of social media, becoming an influencer has never been more accessible. By building a following on platforms like Instagram, like TikTok, like YouTube, you can collaborate with brands and get paid to promote their products. Guys, this is a fun way to express yourself, and it can lead to substantial income. Remember, be authentic. Yes, authenticity is key. Share products that you genuinely love and believe in. Another way to make money online is to offer coaching and consulting. Guys, if you have expertise in a particular area, please consider offering coaching or consulting services. So whether it's business, fitness, or personal development, people are always looking for expert advice. Platforms like Coach.me, Clarity.fm, yes, they make it easy to connect with clients who need your help, and it's a rewarding way to make money online quickly while making a positive impact on other people's lives. Guys, the opportunities to make money online quickly are very, very vast, and they are varied as well. From freelancing and selling products to engaging in social media influencing, and of course online coaching, there is something for everyone. The key is actually to find something that aligns with your skills and interests, and to approach it with dedication and persistence, because with the right mindset, you can start seeing results in no time. So guys, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore these opportunities that I'm sharing with you on my YouTube channel, and start to make money online quickly today. Make sure that you check out my previous videos as well, and I'm going to be sharing more tips, so stick around all the way till the end. When you integrate these additional strategies and you maintain a benefits-driven approach, guys, you're going to maximize your online earnings and achieve your financial goals ever. Now, another way to make money online is through online surveys and market research. Do you know that you can participate in online surveys and market research because it's a simple way to make money online? Companies are willing to pay you for your opinions on various products and services, and there are websites like swagbox.com, surveyjunkie.com, vindaleresearch.com. They offer cash or even gift cards in exchange for your feedback. In today's digital age, guys, the desire to generate income from the comfort of our homes has become more prevalent than ever. And with the plethora of opportunities that are available, are you looking for the easiest ways to make money online? In today's video, I'm going to continue to delve into various methods, highlight their benefits, and of course, introduce a powerful system that is designed to help you make money online quickly and efficiently. I always say this, I've said it so many times. Yeah, I'm even sounding like a broken record now. Money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So besties, I'm sure you know that the internet offers countless opportunities to earn money. Yes, from freelancing to e-commerce, every method comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. But when it comes to discovering what the easiest way is to make money online, there are certain strategies that stand out for their simplicity, their accessibility, and of course, potential for quick returns. Now, here are some of the benefits of making money online. Flexibility and freedom. Guys, one of the most significant advantages of making money online is the flexibility that it offers. You can work from anywhere in the world. You can set your own hours and be your own boss. This level of freedom is unparalleled in traditional job setting. You can start, yes. Of course, it has low startup costs for the most part. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant upfront investments, many online money-making business methods have minimal startup costs, and it makes it really accessible for anyone with an internet connection and a willingness to learn. And guess what? You can also diversify your income streams. Yes, the internet allows you to diversify your income streams, and you can engage in multiple online ventures simultaneously, like freelancing, like blogging, like affiliate marketing, and so much more. It increases your potential income and also provides financial stability for you. Guess what? You can also scale. Online businesses and money-making methods are highly scalable. With the right strategies, guys, you can start small and gradually grow your income. There are automated systems and digital products that can help you to earn passive income and free up your time for other things that you really want to do with your time. And here are some easy methods to make money. Freelancing is one of them. Guys, freelancing is a popular way to make money, easy money online, and there are platforms like Upwork.com, like Fiverr.com, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients that are looking for various services like writing, like graphic design, like programming, and so much more. Guys, the key to success in freelancing is to identify your own skills, to create a compelling profile, and to deliver high quality work consistently. The next one on my list here is affiliate marketing. Guys, affiliate marketing is an easy way to make money online. You can promote products and services from other companies and earn commission for each sale that is made through your referral link. The process is pretty straightforward. Just choose a niche, join affiliate programs, and create content that drive traffic to your affiliate links. Guys, I still have a lot to share, but of course I'm going to stop here because I don't want this video to be too long. Do not forget, I am doing a giveaway. All you need to do is to head right to the link in my description as well as my comments. Like I said, we have recently launched our Telegram channel, so all you need to do is to share the Telegram link with 20 to 50 of your friends. Invite 20 to 50 people to the Telegram group. Come back to this video and let me know how many people you have been able to successfully add. Please do not inflate the figures. If you add anything to the figures that you have been able to, get into the group, you are going to be disqualified automatically. Do not lie. I don't take it lightly. I mean, you can't lie. You can't be dealing with me and be telling lies. So let me know the exact number of people. We're only able to add 10 people, 20 people, 50 people. Let me know, and yes, of course, if you add more than 50 people, you stand a chance to get picked. It is a contest and I'll be selecting people randomly. I'll just ask you to send me your account details. I'll verify the figures, the number of people that you were able to successfully add into the group. And of course, you're on your way to making cool cash. I'm just gonna credit you with some money. And that is it for today. In case someone had told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're gorgeous, you're sweet, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.